On the CNN Student News tonight, we have a professional team of poetry analysts who have discovered new meaning in Edgar Allan Poe's poem, Alone. These extraordinary team of scientists will be talking to me today about their findings. First, they will read the poem and then do a quick analysis of it. And finally, they will explain why this particular poet wrote a poem like this and how it connects to his life.
From childhood's hour I have not been, as others were I have not seen, as others saw I could not bring, my passion from a common spring. From the same source I have not taken, my sorrow I could not waken, my heart to joy at the same time.
And all I loved alone. Then in my childhood, in the dawn of a most stormy life was drawn, from every depth of good and ill, the mystery which binds me still. From the torrent or the fountain, from the red cliff of the mountain, from the sun that round me rolled.
In its autumn tint of gold, from the lightning in the sky, as it passed me flying by, from the thunder and the storm, and the cloud that took the form, when the rest of heaven was blue, of a demon in my view.
So since everyone is dying to know, tell us what you have found when analyzing the title of this very intriguing poem.
After reading this poem and going back over the title, we have concluded that when Poe titled this poem Alone, he was talking about how he felt all of his life. He feels isolated from other people and he feels like he is unlike them, that it is impossible to relate to them. We can see this kind of behavior in other great minds as well, such as Albert Einstein and Steve Jobs.
Fascinating. So what is it most likely that he was feeling when he wrote this poem? What is, shall we say, the connotation?
The connotation of this poem is very sad. Like when he says things like, from the thunder and the storm, he's talking about his childhood and how he never felt like all of the other kids and how whenever he liked something, the other kids were opposed to him. But he doesn't want to be necessarily like everyone else, but he wants to be enough like them that he can relate.
Wow. Are there any shifts in the poem? Did he ever start talking about one thing and then switch to something else entirely?
He does switch the way in which he talks, but it is not because he goes to a different topic. He shifts the way he talks to show others the way he feels through imagery. Instead of telling his story like he does in the very first part of the poem, he explains how the mystery of his life relates to images such as from the red cliff of the mountain.
Finally, how did the poet's life affect the meaning of the poem? Why would he write something so morbid and gloomy?
Well, he was a kind of a strange genius in his own way. He probably did not fit in with normal society.
Although this poem was written before he lost his wife, it was after he had lost his mother as a child. So when he was talking about stormy life, he was probably meaning things along the lines of that.
So in conclusion, this poem is sad, but he is trying to climb out of the pit of sorrow that he is in. He has not yet lost it.
Thanks, guys. See us tomorrow when we discuss how eating popcorn controls global warming.